Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and sign up into your Discover mobile application right through your phone. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what I want you to do is simply go ahead and open App Store or Play Store depending on whatever mobile device that you're on, and simply go ahead and search for Discover just like that. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on the first application right over here and click on open. Once you've done that, all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and create an account is simply go ahead and tap on register an account. It's going to ask you if you want to register a credit card account or a bank or loan account. You can simply go ahead and tap on any that you want. It's going to ask you for some details like 4 digits of your account number, date of birth, SSN, and many more. Now, all you need to do is after this, you need to enter your email and go ahead and create a password for this device. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next.